Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is scientist and their invention part 3. We are so lucky we are living nowadays because scientists made our life easier. They invented many things which are very useful for us. So let's talk about scientists and their invention. Part 3. Submarine invented by Cornelius Drebbel 1624 in Britain. Calculator invented by Jack Kilby and Edith Clark in 1967 in US. Piano invented by Bartolomeo Cristofori in 1688 in Italy. Thermometer invented by Daniel Fahrenheit in 1709 in Germany. Roller skate invented by Joseph Merlin and James Leonard Plimpton in 1743 in Britain. Hot air balloon invented by Montgolfier brothers in 1783 in France. Train invented by Richard Trevithick in 1804 in Britain. Stethoscope by René Laennec in 1816 in France. Bicycle invented by Karl von Drais in 1817 in Germany. Computer invented by Charles Babbage in 1830 in London. Sewing machine invented by Barthélemy Thimonier in 1830 in France. Glider invented by George Cayley in 1853 in Britain. Typewriter invented by Christopher Latham Soles in 1867 in US. Phonograph invented by Emily Berliner in 1867 in US. Light bulb invented by Thomas Edison in 1879 in US. Fountain pen invented by Patrice Penroux in 1827 in US. Car invented by Carl Benz in 1886 in Germany. So let's talk about facts about scientists and their invention. Number 1. Galileo Galilei invented the cosmos. Number 2. Louis Pasteur invented first vaccine in a science program. Number 3. Steve Jobs made typography in fun. Number 4. Inventor of cornflakes John Harvey Kellogg had a medical facility in which some patients were Amelia Earhart, Mary Todd Lincoln and Henry Ford. Number 5. Samuel Morse turned politics with 2 words: no immigrants and no Catholics. Number 6. Yoshida Nakamatsu has 3,377 patents for his invention toilet seat lifter. Number 7. Benjamin Franklin had hobby rewriting the lyrics of popular songs. Number 8. 5th grader Clara Legend discovered undiscovered molecules. Number 9. Paul Brown invented space ketchup and sold it to NASA for $13 million. Number 10. Similar Robert Taylor built space soap for NASA and sold it for $25 million. Kids, which scientist invention do you like, which is very useful nowadays? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize scientists and their invention part 3. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel and also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.